Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your iPhone before selling it. Now, let's head into the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing I would recommend doing if you're getting ready to sell or give away your iPhone is to tap on your name at the very top. You'll be able to see it brings you to your Apple account. The first thing that you need to do is scroll down a little bit and you can see there is iCloud. Let's tap on iCloud here. And from here, you can see towards the bottom is iCloud Backup. Just tap on that. Now you need to go through the process of backing everything up so that when you erase everything and delete everything, you don't automatically lose it. You can see the latest backup was 2.4 gigs. So just tap on Backup Now. It usually takes a few minutes to go through this process, depending on how fast your Wi-Fi connection is. So wait until this is done backing up, and then you'll be ready to delete everything. To be able to delete everything, let's tap the back arrow until we get to just the general settings here. And now from the beginning of the settings, we're going to scroll down, and you're looking for the general option right above accessibility. Just tap on that. Now from here, there's a built-in feature to delete everything. At the very bottom, you can see transfer or reset your iPhone. Just tap on that. And now we're going to choose where it says erase all the content and the settings. If you tap on that, it will say it will erase everything. It'll erase all of your apps and your data. It will sign you out of your Apple account. It will turn off the Find My feature. It will remove your credit cards and debit cards from your Apple Wallet. And it will remove the eSIM from your iPhone so that it no longer works with your old phone number. Tap on the continue, and then if you are selling or giving it this away, you're going to hit delete eSIM and erase data. And then just enter in the passcode that you use to unlock your phone, and it will go through the process of deleting everything from that iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.